me get that. Let me get that. Let me get that. Let me get.
Welcome and welcome back to Manusiyat. The amount of books that I owned as teenager. Also, we are going to talk about the 2025 Vision Hindi edition से मैंने शुरू करा था book read करना, and I started with this Lok Vyavhar, and then I got with this Jeet Aapki. As a 17 years old teenager, I thought कि मुझसे नहीं होगा, मैं क्या ही English में books पढ़ूंगी. So I started with these 3 Hindi edition books. Talking about the English ones, सबसे पहले मैंने actual fiction books उठाई थी. The first was this Ends With Us by Colleen Hoover, and the second one was this Starts With Us. It is also by Colleen Hoover. ये दोनों मतलब ऐसे complementary type हैं books, and first part and second part. Talking about the dark romance books, let's not say it कि मैंने ये वाली book पढ़ी हुई है. This is actually Hunting Adeline, and this is one of the dark romance books. I somehow came across this one book that is Atomic Habits, and मैंने इसको ऑनलाइन किसी को पढ़ते हुए देखा, and one thing that it has was one phrase, and the phrase was all big things come from the small beginnings, and this phrase made me land to this book that is Atomic Habits. Talk about the book that I have read twice or thrice, that is The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck. Then we have another book that is a rework which says Change the Way, Work Forever. And let this book be your first book of 2025. I mean, you can give it a try. As a teenager, if somebody asks me questions like, what is the thing that attracts you the most? Sir, how to manage money. And that is why I landed up on this book that is The Psychology of Money. तो तुम्हें फाइनेंस वगैरह या मनी मैनेज सीखना है करना, तो start with Rich Dad and Poor Dad, and उसके बाद you have to proceed to this because the language of this book is actually very hard and very tough to understand if you are a beginner. So I must say Rich Dad and Poor Dad should be your first book before this. Okay, what else do you think that attracts you the most? Understanding more of the human behavior and having a power over them. And that is why, yeah, there's 48 Laws of Power, and I love this book. I mean, what, are you even a book reader if your book doesn't look like this? Like, every page? But I also love to learn from other people's experiences, so there comes 101 essays that will change the way you think forever. I must say, it is worth it. Worth it. Next we have Get the Epic Shit Done. But before reading this book, I think you should read Do Epic Shit. But aren't you bored of reading so much of self-development content? I mean, it's boring. I don't even like to read it at all. I completely understand, and that is why I shifted to suddenly this book. It's a fiction book written by Colleen Hoover, that is November 9, and I suddenly shifted on this book because I was a bit bored of reading the self-development content. And then my favorite YouTuber just launched her first book, that is Buy Yourself the Damn Flowers by Tam Kaur, and I have read this book twice, and I'm still reading this book again actually because I really love the way she has written everything, the way she has explained everything, and I'm also in love with the way everything has been segregated into topics and everything has their own chapters, and this is going to be my favorite book amongst all of the books that I have showed you till now. I also noticed one thing कि उस book में, that book written by Tam Kaur, she mentioned a phrase where she mentioned that the phrase has been taken from the book Good Vibes, Good Life. So I thought let's give it a try, and this book is Good Vibes, Good Life by Vex King. This was all about how many books do I own, how many books do I have read, and proceeding on to इसके बाद मैं शो करने लगी हूँ actually a calendar and a journal that I have made myself. So, hold your breath, ladies and gentlemen. Here comes my calendar. And it says, act like your future self. We have the first page, then we have flipping on, we have a month name written, and then we have a beautiful quote written that's going to motivate you for the month itself. Then we have this calendar where dates are written. I mean, it took so much of effort to make this, but it's definitely going to be worth it because 2025 का पूरा साल मैं इसको use करने वाली हूँ. This is the journal that I made for 2025 and I really wanted to keep it like creative and giving it a sassy vibe. So I gave it my lipstick marks on the front and the back this journal belongs to. Then we have a quote and then we have 32 pages blank to write all my thoughts. Every day I'm going to journal next year so as to keep a check on my mental health. I have one more and then have 50 pages and this is how every month looks like. And that brings us to the end of this video. Here comes the homework chapter. Go and search a book online and read it. That should not be a fiction book. That should not be a teen romance book. That should be a self-development book. And that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
I want to love,